Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Unite offline. First, it's important to understand that Pokémon Unite is fundamentally designed as an online multiplayer game, requiring an internet connection for most features. However, there are specific modes and conditions that allow for a more isolated or offline-like experience. We'll explore these options to help you enjoy the game, practice your skills, or simply play when a stable network connection isn't readily available. Let's dive into the details. While true offline play is limited, the game offers robust practice and training modes. In practice mode, you can select any Pokémon and battle against computer-controlled opponents, refining your moves and understanding character abilities without pressure. Training mode provides a dedicated space to test item builds, experiment with different attacks, and master your last-hitting techniques. These environments are perfect for new players to learn the ropes or for veterans to perfect their strategies before jumping into competitive matches, all without needing a live opponent. It's crucial to understand that Pokémon Unite is built around online connectivity. While you can access practice and training modes, the game still needs to verify your account and download necessary updates or assets. A stable internet connection is generally required for the initial game download and for accessing most features, including ranked and standard matches. Think of offline play more as playing solo against artificial intelligence rather than a complete disconnection from the game's servers. Always ensure your game is updated. To get the most out of your solo or offline-like experience, always ensure your Pokémon Unite application is fully updated. This guarantees you have access to the latest Pokémon, items, and practice environments. Before heading into an area with limited connectivity, make sure all game data is downloaded. Then, dive into the practice and training modes to hone your skills, experiment with new builds, and become proficient with your favorite Pokémon. This preparation allows for a smoother and more enjoyable solo gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.